We just got the keys to our brand new bakery and came in and did a massive demolition night, and we're going to show you the first step we took towards taking this all original from 1991 bakery up to 2025. Let's get into it. First things first is demolition day, because this unit is all original from 1991, so it's out with the old, in with the new. And when we're taking apart this cabinet, we actually found an old poster advertising the Fort Langley Cranberry Festival from 1993. Next up, we headed to the back room, which will be our production, and removed and cleared off all the walls. And then Braden got on removing the baseboards, because next week the concrete will be poured. At the end of the night, this is all the debris we're able to remove. And if you want to see us build our dream cafe from the inside out, follow us for more.